Hello everyone, my name is Professor Vishakha Bende. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the concept of entrepreneurship. Before starting our topic, just click on bell icon and do subscribe my YouTube channel. Entrepreneurship, it's a purposeful activity to initiate and develop a profit-oriented business. According to a Scumcher, the entrepreneurship is essentially a creative activity or it is an innovative function. Entrepreneurship can be defined as a process of certain action an entrepreneur undertakes to establish his enterprise. Now, what is entrepreneur? Entrepreneur is a person who creates an enterprise or who starts business. Now, see, the word entrepreneur is derived from the French verb entreprendre. It means to undertake. The Drucker views an entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is the one who always searches for change, respond to it, and exploit it as an opportunity. Innovation is the specific tool of entrepreneurs, the means by which they exploit changes as an opportunity for a different business or different service. Entrepreneur is an employee, master, merchant, but explicitly considered as a capitalist. Today, an entrepreneur is an innovator or developer who recognizes and sees opportunities, convert those opportunities into workable or marketable ideas. Enterprise. What is enterprise? Enterprise is that where entrepreneurial activity is going on, like enterprise maybe it can be company, it can be industry or firm, organization, office, agency, franchise, or it can be a shop. Enterprise support the recognition of new market opportunities as well as develop the opportunity to change and develop at the individual business and industry level. Here is the definition of entrepreneurship. Identify two elements of entrepreneurship, namely innovation and risk bearing. What are different outcomes of engaging in entrepreneurship? Entrepreneurship gives innovation or newness. It helps to develop new product or services. Organizing resources, that is finance, people, physical and information resources. It helps to generating wealth, creating new product or services, as well as entrepreneurship taking risk in a business venture. Entrepreneurship prepared to face uncertainty. Entrepreneurship helps create a job opportunity. It increases the abundance of wealth generation for the nation. Now, entrepreneur, here is the difference between entrepreneur and employee. Entrepreneur set his own business and earn profit from it, but employee have fixed salary. Difference between entrepreneur and manager. Entrepreneur is the owner of the firm, while manager is just a servant. Entrepreneur gain maximum profit from his business and his profit not fixed, but manager salary which is certain and fixed. Entrepreneur is a risk takers, but manager does not bear any risk involved in enterprise. Entrepreneur is a innovator, but manager simply execute plan which is prepared by the entrepreneur. Now see who is an intrapreneur. When we split the term, we will get intra plus preneur stand for intra corporate entrepreneur. To Heritage Dictionary, a person within large corporation who takes direct responsibility for turning an idea into profitable finished product through assertive risk taking and innovation. Now here is the thinking of small businessman and entrepreneur. Small businessman engage in a business activity for the purpose of profit to support his living and his family. But in other side, entrepreneurs start the venture, assume leadership and expand the venture to fulfill personal goal and attain self accomplishment. Small businessman low risk taker, and while other side entrepreneur are moderate risk takers. Small businessman follows other and invests only in tested and proven markets, while entrepreneurs take calculated risk. Now see qualities of successful entrepreneur. A successful entrepreneur should be initiative. He should be able to initiate action and take advantages of opportunity. The next quality is willingness to assume risk. In any business, there is an element of risk. It implies that a businessman may be successful or unsuccessful. In other words, it is not necessary that every business shall earn profit, but risk should be taken by the entrepreneur. Next quality is ability to learn from experience. An entrepreneur may commit mistake. However, he has ability to earn from experience. The next quality is motivation. Motivation is key to success. This is necessary for success in every walk of life. The next quality is self confidence. For achieving success in life, one should have confidence in himself or herself. A person who lacks confidence can neither do any work himself nor can inspire others to work. So here is all about entrepreneurship. Hope you got understood. Thank you.